Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the brand new H16 drone, a direct clone of the popular Mavic. We snagged it for just $14 on Shane. Given that a DJI drone can cost thousands, let's see if this budget-friendly option holds up. Join me as we unpack it and put it through its paces. These are the documents for getting started with the drone. We have in this small bag a USB cable for recharging the battery, a screwdriver, and 4 replacement propellers accompanied by their screws. Let's see now for the drone. It is a small, very light drone with a front camera. We do not know for its quality. We find on this drone brushless motors and a battery of 3.7 volts and 1.8 amps. And now let's move on to the remote control. It is a not very complicated remote control that takes 3 batteries. Fix the joints of the 2 joysticks. It has 2 foldable antennas, of course they are fake. And a phone holder. So far, there is nothing complicated or extraordinary. Now, we will try to fly the drone indoors in the absence of wind. We put the drone on the ground, we establish the connection with the remote control, it is done automatically. And let's go. Until now, it can fly, it works, but it does not have good stability, it goes left and right. They added to this drone the ability to do flips in all directions. It's very interesting. Piloting will not be easy for someone who is starting out. This is normal since this drone does not have a GPS system to stabilize it. Now we will try to fly the drone outside, so that it can cope with the force of the wind and see what it will give. Here we go. conclude the drone works, but it is not a very high-quality drone. The camera has a poor resolution and poor stabilization because of the absence of the GPS system. But still, I am satisfied. For the $14, we could not have more. I cannot exceed less than 100 meters, like professional drones, which can go to thousands of meters. I advise all people who want to start in drone piloting to buy their drone cheaper, to learn to pilot on cheap drone instead of losing thousands of dollars in a crash with professional drones. I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to like it, to share and subscribe to this channel.